a mom having 2 children and going through the newborn baby stage, I 100% totally relate and understand. And I'm married and I like my husband and I think he's a great dad. It was terrifying to leave my babies. I mean, there's just this maternal instinct that's there, and I don't think you're wrong for having that. However, this concept that like little babies should be with their moms is really just not the way that Florida judges and Florida legislature thinks things should roll. So if a dad wants to establish paternity and wants to get time sharing rights, very, very often he's going to end up with close to 50-50 time sharing, and that means the baby is going to be away. Now, there are some judges and some instances where we may be able to make arguments about transitioning in and it taking a couple of months and breastfeeding arguments and those kinds of things. But dad's going to get access. He's going to get time sharing. He's going to be involved, and that is going to include overnight time sharing. You're not going to go through the courts. It may not be up to you whether you go through the courts, right? One of the ways that the court system can get involved is if the mother, when you are unmarried, files for child support. But another way that the court system can get involved, and gets involved all the time, is if a father files a petition for paternity. So when the child is born, at this moment in time, the dad doesn't automatically have rights to time sharing, decision making, all those things. So if he files a petition for paternity, it's not going to be up to you anymore. And what you're comfortable with is not really going to be relevant. It's going to be about what's best for the child from the judge and the court's perspective.